What's up and good morning, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. We're just heading out. Oh, coyote again in the window. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she always gets so upset when we leave. I feel so bad. I would take her with us, but she learned how to jump over like 6-foot fences, so she just runs away and then comes back 5 hours later. So just something you really can't be having. Today we're getting in the Duramax as always, because kind of gave you the rundown that the other one is kind of messed up. New wheels, everything's good. Cracked cylinder head, all good and ready to go. The other Duramax is hiding back there somewhere. But anyways, we're gonna head over to the shop. We gotta finish wiring up some trailer brakes, and we're going to clean the shop and reorganize. I think Eric already moved a bunch of stuff around, so we're gonna try and get up in this thing and get to work. So maybe this will stay. Probably yep, it's gonna fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this bad Larry up. Oh, as you guys can tell, I know everyone was complaining about this. It's not perfectly straight yet, but we're a lot closer. When I adjusted the front end, it kind of fixed everything. Neutral. No glow plugs, don't need them. Look at that. No check engine light. So the ABS and brake light are usually, well, they're on because of, I got dog hair in my mouth. They're on because of not having ABS in the front wheels, because I don't have front wheel hubs that match up. So I think that's part of the reason we're gonna be changing axles, going to the Ford axle, the 05 and up Super Duty axle, because WFO Concepts did make adapted, they made hubs that are converted to Chevy pattern and work with the ABS. So therefore, we would have full working, this truck would be 100% fully working. Like no lights on the dash at all. I just think that's like, especially trying to go to SEMA when we rebuild it, that's like one of those things that, you know, it's a minor detail that no one's even gonna notice, but it's just being like the best builder you can be and really doing the best work that you can do is to deliver the best quality product. So yeah, so I definitely think that's in the future here. This truck, I am actually getting a car in the next like week or so, so this truck will be officially getting parked. I know we said it was getting parked, and then I had a bunch of issues. I had to start driving it again. This truck will be getting parked in the next few weeks, and we'll probably start tearing it apart. So yeah, it's gonna suck, but it's gonna be fun at the same time. I'm excited for it. It's gonna be a fun build. We got a lot of custom stuff coming, but we will see. So all right, guys, I'm gonna drive to the shop. I can't really drive a manual and hold the camera, so we'll see when we get there. Well, it took a little bit of work, but we got the trailer brakes all wired in. I already ran the wires prior to, right up to here, so it was fairly easy. Just had to solder some things. I gotta put the fuse in the battery, like the battery connection, and just make sure it works, and that should be done. And then we get to organizing the shop and everything, so fairly easy. A little stressful soldering underneath the dash in a fucked up position, but the neck hurts a little bit, but we're all right. So just kind of clean up a little bit, and then we'll see if it works, and then go from there. OSHA approved. Alright guys, so in our plans, we're moving a bunch of shit off of here. We took the railing down, we're taking this rack down, and that air compressor is gonna go up here. So, that's what we're doing right now. Oh Jesus. This is the new Chevy whip, boys. Why is this thing going backwards by itself? Fucking ghost ride the whip, buddy. Shit. while we were cleaning the shop, we decided, well, I decided, got a crazy idea. We want to see how much my truck will flex. So we got the forklift and we got the truck in the shop. We're gonna see how much flex we can get out of the truck. My back tire's not even off the ground yet. All right, that's back tire off the ground, so. Nice. Here. That's probably, I mean, what do you think that is? Hold on, I'll put the camera down. We'll take pictures in a minute. But that back tire has left the ground, so. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. I think we did all right, boys. And ladies, for those few that watch. So we're back on all four, everything looks good. Total 3 foot of flex. So that was 3 feet from the ground to the bottom of the front tire. We gotta get rolling, so I didn't wanna leave it up there for too long or tweak the frame, but everything is looking good, boys. All back. That's gonna come off sooner or later, but yeah. I think it does pretty good. Alrighty guys, we have accomplished almost getting the shop clean. We got a lot reorganized, a lot changed up. The air compressor is up there like you guys saw. Played with the truck a little bit to see what kind of flex we got out of it. Just something fun for the day, you know. Needed some content for the channel. So, we saw how everything went. Yeah, we'll be redoing it soon, but hopefully to get even more flex out of it, having coilovers front and rear, and maybe a little bit taller coilover. So, that's gonna do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in probably tomorrow. Yeah, depends what we're doing, but hopefully more fun things and not too much work, you know. We're out of here, guys. Bye.